With the Gravity Forms file upload field, your users can upload images, videos, documents, and many other file types via any form on your WordPress website, making it quick and easy to collect the information you need. Whether you want to accept resumes and CVs, coursework and project proposals, or competition entries in the form of photographs or videos, it's all possible with the built-in file upload feature. Let's take a quick look at how to use the file upload field on your forms. To get started, simply add the field to the form that you'd like to use to accept file uploads. Next, you can use the field settings to fine-tune everything. Customize the field label and description, and even specify the allowed file extensions with a comma-separated list. You can use any file type that is supported by WordPress core. You can also enable multiple uploads, letting your users upload multiple files when submitting the form. You can even set the maximum number of file uploads allowed. And with the maximum file size setting, you can limit the file size users are able to upload and submit, helping you to preserve your storage space. If you leave this field blank, Gravity Forms will default to the max size limit allowed by your server and/or your WordPress installation. It's important to note that hosting providers often impose restrictions on uploads. This can be due to them not permitting certain file types or limitations with your hosting plan. When you have everything tweaked to your liking, simply embed your form on a published page or post to start accepting file uploads. For more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity Forms, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching.